Hi, good afternoon. It's Chris from Speed Superbikes in Exeter. Bike to show you this afternoon. Personal favourite, Aprilia RSV4 Factory Tuono. What a piece of kit. Looks spectacular in these colours as well. Real favourite of mine, this. It's a 2021 bike. It's got lashings of carbon on it. It's just a really nice, good looking bike, this. Bar end mirrors. Does have heated grips, but as per my videos, which I'm sure you'll have seen before, we don't guarantee aftermarket heated grips or aftermarket sat navs. Does have carbon tank front. Does have a keyless quick release fuel cap. Carbon side blades, orangey crash protection, and it does have that all important carbon aquaprovic. Obviously he's got the big Brembos, carbon front fender with the Öhlins front and the Öhlins rear, electronic suspension, nice rubber, does have a tail tidy. It's done 12,761 miles. It's very, very nice condition. Two owner bike. It's MOT'd until the 9th 26. There are 4 receipts for service work, so it has got some service history with it. Although not stamped in the book, we do have printed receipts. We do have the handbook. We do have a spare key. But look at that. How fantastic. Aprilia RS V4 Tuono. So there you have it, 2021 Tuono V4 1100 in grey, factory model, 12,700 miles, 2 owners, long MOT, some service history, owner's books and spare keys. Lovely, what's not to like? So, again, if myself or any of the team at Speed Superbikes in Exeter can help you further, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01392 211 246. Also, don't forget, all our bikes are on YouTube, so please do visit our YouTube channel. And if there's anything on there, please hit like and share. That would be very good of you. Thank you very much.